Did you know one of today's biggest online banking players has roots dating back nearly a century, yet truly broke through by embracing the digital revolution? We're talking about EverBank, a name now synonymous with competitive rates and high-tech accessibility. But how did this company transform from a regional institution into a leading nationwide online bank? It's a story of strategic foresight, a commitment to digital-first service, and a willingness to offer customers more. EverBank's modern journey into the digital space began long before many traditional banks took online services seriously. They saw the potential in serving customers nationwide without the high overhead of a massive physical branch network. This early adoption of a direct banking model was their first key advantage. This model allowed EverBank to offer what many competitors couldn't: high-performing, high-yield solutions. By saving on branch costs, they were able to pass those savings on to you, the customer, in the form of consistently competitive interest rates on savings, money market accounts, and CDs. This focus on maximizing client advantage became their signature. But high rates alone don't build a leading online bank. You need trust and technology. EverBank built that trust through transparent service and innovative products, like their famous Yield Pledge Promise, which commits to keeping rates in the top percentage of the national average. On the technology front, they continually invested in robust, user-friendly digital platforms. A seamless online account opening process, a highly rated mobile app for 24/7 access, and features like out-of-network ATM fee reimbursements all combined to make banking feel easy, convenient, and truly client-centric. More recently, after a period operating as TIAA Bank, the company returned to the EverBank name in 2023 under new private ownership, sharpening its focus on nationwide consumer and commercial growth. This renewed independence signaled a fresh commitment to its online banking legacy, emphasizing innovation and expansion. Acquisitions have also strategically expanded its reach, adding a targeted network of financial centers to complement its strong digital presence, proving that even a leading online bank can benefit from a strategic physical footprint for community connection. In short, EverBank's rise to a leading online bank is a textbook case of leveraging low-overhead digital banking to deliver superior value, then layering in top-tier technology and customer-first services to build long-term trust and loyalty. It's all about giving the client the financial advantage they deserve. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.